Hello everyone. I am working on a cute Valentine project today. I hope that you'll join me. I want to turn this cute easel into a note card holder. Look at this. Isn't that adorable? I bought it from Dollar Tree. So this piece right here, the main part is about 4.5, and then the height is about 7.5/8. But if you want the whole length here, it's gonna fall about 8.5 inches. I grabbed a few items. Let me show you the basic items you will need. Of course, is some sort of stand like this. And I do have my white chalk paint. I also grabbed a puffy 3D writer. I'll show you in a moment why I need this. Oh, I feel like I need. I also grabbed some pink glitter. This is that mica glitter in this one. And then this one has like iridescent glitter in there with the pink glue. I will also be using my paint pen from Dollar Tree in the pink color. And whatever embellishments I add, I will let you know where I found them, if I remember, that is. I have finished painting my easel. I painted the front side and the back side, and I used one layer of the chalk paint. I am now ready to decorate. I am ready to add some sparkles. I decided to go with this one, the one with the iridescent glitter. I think this will work well, especially on the white background. I'm going to add it around the edge. Bring out that extra cuteness that it needs. I'm going to put a glob all along the edge. This way, when it dries, I will have lots of glitter. So yeah, just running a bead of this glitter glue all the way around the edge. And then once it dries, I'll know better if I need to add more. Like that. And let me go ahead and finish this. This is what my note card holder looks like right now. I'm going to tilt it so you can see all that sparkle on the edge. See? I like it. I decided not to use the puffy paint because I was thinking about outlining the hearts, but I think I like the way it looks. So I'm going to leave it at that. I also have this clip. I don't remember where I got them from, but they're cute, right? And you can make your own. I thought about putting it right here, and then this way I can like clip my note cards. But then I was thinking, well, what if my clip card is larger than right from here on down? So I decided just to clip this up here. That way I have a clip if I need it for something. Because, you know, these things happen, right? Now, the other thing I need to do to complete my note card holder. Here's a card. These are cute cards, aren't they? I found these at the thrift store. Somebody didn't want it, so, you know, that was in my favor. There we go. Isn't that cute? They're adorable. They're note cards. Or, you know, one of those little greeting Valentine cards. It's by Punch Studio, in case you were wondering. This card has pink in there. It looks awesome. So I have that one. I also have this one. This is a multi purplish and green color on this one. And it still looks good in there. See? Isn't that adorable? I like the puppy on there. He's so cute with the little ribbon on the top of his head. So I have that one. And then this is more like antique goldish coloring in there with some red flowers. But it still looks really good, doesn't it? That is awesome. So see, I was thinking about raising it up with a clip like that, but then, well, you know my view on that in case I get like a large card. But that is adorable, isn't it? I hope you like my new card holder and that you give it a try. My new Valentine card holder is going to look excellent in my home this year. So I have decided to coordinate my note card holder with the cute Valentine sign I made. So if you haven't had a chance, take a look at that also. Thank you for stopping by. I will see you next time.